Hello, dear students, how are you today? I hope you're fine. Today we're going to have the last lesson on chapter 3, which is scatter plots and lines of best fit. Let's start. Okay, dear students, a line. A line has an infinite number of points on it. We can find the slope of a line if we can identify two distinct points on the line. Okay, as you can see here in this graph, I have here an infinite number of 20 here dots. I can draw, if I have another marker, I can draw here um, more than these dots. The table shows several possible measures of an angle and its supplement. As you see here, this table, I have here for x, okay, these numbers for x, okay, and I have here for their supplements. Okay, so graph the points given the table, then draw the line that best represents the data and write the equation of the line. If I have here x here is 30, so what do you think y will be what? Supplement. Do you remember supplement? Yes, supplement, the sum of them, the sum of them will give you what? 180 degrees. Okay, so when I have here, okay, the equation will be y equal 180 minus x. Okay, so let's solve for this. Okay, now use the table to write order pairs x, and here this 180 minus x, this is for y. Okay, and plot the points. Remember when I say y equal 180 minus x, okay? Okay, so I have here the order pairs. Okay, let's see, 30 and 150, 60, okay, and 120, 90, 90, 120 and 60, 150 and 30. Okay, these numbers were written, it's already given, they are already given here, and I have solved what the y, okay, the y values, I've solved the y values. Okay, okay, so then draw the points here. I draw here the points. I have here 30 and 150, okay, and then 60, okay, 30 as you see here, okay, it's 30, and then 150 this point, so here it's written 150 but we can't see it, then 60 with 120, 60 with 120 as you see, okay, this point, okay, this is for 60 and 120, okay, and so on. After this, draw the line here after we finish the order pair, then 120 and 60, 120 here, it's written here 120 and here 60, and then here 150, okay, this is 150, and here 30, and here 30, 30 here, okay. Okay, after this, what should I do? After this step, I draw here the next step. I draw a line here passing through the points. Okay, this line. Okay, this line, like this. Then the third step here is to choose 2 points from the line, like 30 and 30, 150 and 120, 60, and I choose 2 points that they are far from each other. Okay, don't forget this point. Okay, use these coordinates in the slope formula to find the slope of the line. I have here the slope formula. Do you remember this? Yeah, y sub 2 minus y sub 1, x sub 2 minus x sub 1. I have here to know, how can we know the slope m? I have here 60 minus 150, okay, all over 120 minus 30, and then I'll get the answer. Okay, I get the answer here, negative 90 over 90 equals to negative, I have here 90 divided 90 gives me 1, negative divided positive give me, yes, unlike terms give me here negative 1. Okay, then use the point slope form to find the equation of the line and then simplify. I have here, remember the point slope form, y minus y sub 1 equals to slope m, x minus x sub 1. I have here y minus 150 for y sub 1 as we have solved it for 150 and 30. Okay, these two order pairs. I have this just one order pairs here, 150 with 30, remember? Okay, and I have also here negative 1 for the slope that I got from the other one, from the previous step, from step 3. Okay, negative 1, and then times x minus 30. Okay, 30 stands for x sub 1. Okay, okay, then what should I do? I should here distribute the negative 1 times x, then times what? Negative 30. So here negative 1 times x gives you negative x, negative 1 times negative 30, negative times negative give me positive 30. Okay, then I have here to get rid of this negative 150, so the additive inverse is positive 150, so it goes with 150. Here 150 minus 150 gives you 0, and the y comes alone here. And then I have here what I have here, negative x, it comes down here, and I have here positive 30. Don't forget to add here both sides by positive 150. So positive 150 or and positive 30 gives you what? Gives you positive 180. Okay, so I have here y equal negative x plus 180. Then the equation of our line is y equal negative x plus, as you see it here, okay, clear all of this, y equal negative x plus 180. Okay, now if we can draw a line through all points in a set of data, the relationship is linear. Okay, again, if we can draw a line through all the points in a set of data, so the relationship, don't forget, is a linear. If the points are close to a line, we can approximate the relationship with the line of the best fit. Okay, do you know now the difference between them? Okay, we'll see. Okay, for example here, a physical therapist evaluates a client's progress by measuring the angle of motion of an injured joint. The table here shows the angle motion of a client's wrist over 6 weeks. Okay, 6 weeks here, and y here for the angle measures over the 6 weeks. Estimate the equation of the line of the best fit. So the x values are the weeks and the y values are the measures of angles. So I used the table to write those order pairs, and then I wrote the order pairs here. I plotted the order pairs on my graph. 130, 130, and I have this 130. Okay, I have here for 1, and I have here, sorry, for 1, and I have here go up until 30, and I have here 0, the origin, and then 236. Okay, 2, here it's written 2, and here for this point it's written here 36. Okay, and I have here 448, 4, and I have here, okay, this one, okay, this one, it's written here 48, and so on. Then, okay, so we use a ruler to estimate the line of best fit. Try to get the edge of the ruler closest to all the points of the line. Okay, use my ruler here to estimate the line of the best fit here on the dots here, as you see, okay, to the closest points of the line. So when you look closer to the graph, you find that almost all the points here are on the graph, are on the line, except this one, it's beside it. Okay, but we have here, it's okay, we have here this one and this point, they passes through, yes, the first and the last one, they here the line passes through them. So a line passing through two order pair 236 and 662, the first and the last, seems to be the closest to all the points, so we can use these 2 points to find the slope of a line. Okay, and I have here the slope rise over run equals to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over all over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Okay, this one, the formula. And I have here the slope, it's equal to, let's see together. I have here, I need the marker. I have here 36, okay, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 all over 2, all over here 6. Okay, again, I have here y sub 2 minus y sub 1, 62 minus 36, all over what? All over x sub 2 minus x sub 1, which is 6 minus 2. Gives me what? Gives me 26 over 4. When I say 26 over 4, it gives me what? 6 point. I have here the nearest thing here is I have here again 20. Okay, I want to write it. Okay, I want to write it down. 26 over 4 gives me what? The nearest thing for 4 times 6 equal 20. Okay, equal 24. So I have here 6 times 4 equal 24. I want to show you something. Okay, I want to show you how to do this one. 26 over 4 gives me what? Okay, again, 26 divided by 4. Okay, gives me 6. So 6 times 4 equals 24. So I have the rest is 2. Okay, remember when I have the rest 2, I put here the decimal point to add 0. Remember in the division. So 20 divided 4 gives you 5. Okay, decimal. Okay, like this. Okay. Then, my dear students, here the fourth step, use the point slope form to find the equation of the line, then simplify. So I have here, do you remember the point slope? Yeah, the point slope form is y minus y sub 1 equals to m all times x minus here x sub 1. I have here m is 6.5. That's what I've calculated, okay, before. And then I here will substitute for the numbers that I got here. Y minus y sub 1, okay, that's 36, okay, remember? And I have here 6.5 instead of the slope here m, x minus here what, x minus x sub 1, so it will be here 2, as you see. Okay, want to show you this one. Okay, so I have here the answer, then distribute 6.5. So I here want to solve for this. Let's see how. So we are gonna solve for this one. This we are gonna here multiply, distribute 6.5 for x, then for negative 2. 6.5 here x times x gives me 6.5x. 6.5 times negative 2, positive negative gives you, yes, negative 13. And I have here y minus 36 equals to this one. What should I do? Get rid of this, okay, by adding the additive inverse, which is positive 36 for both sides. I have here, I'll put the positive 36 below the number here, negative 13, okay, because here I have here what x, okay, and this is the like terms. So I have here, to get rid of this, y equals to 6.5x plus 23. This is, we simplified here the equation.